Congratulations on your brand new Hero Lectro e-bike. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to unbox and assemble the e-bike all by yourself. It's time to ride the charge. First things first, ensure that the box is upright. Carefully cut the straps on the box with scissors. Check the contents of the component box. There should be 5 things inside: the owner manual, left and right pedals, 4, 5, 6 mm Allen keys, a charger and cable. Carefully pull out the e-bike from the box. Inspect for any broken wires or couplers hanging from the e-bike. If you've purchased an iSmart e-bike, the RFID keys should be hanging on the handlebar. Carefully cut the cable tie and keep the RFID keys safely. These keys will be used to turn on the e-bike. Grab the 4 mm Allen key to begin installation of the handlebar. Hold the front tire straight and twist the handlebar so that the cross mark on the stem of the e-bike is aligned to the center tread of the tire. Tighten the screws to fix the handlebar in the correct position. Now it's time to install the pedals. Each pedal is marked R or L. Align the right pedal marked R to the right side crank hole and tighten the pedal in a clockwise motion with the multi-spanner. Similarly, align the left pedal marked L to the left side crank hole and tighten the pedal in an anti-clockwise motion. Please be very careful during this step, as you don't want to end up damaging the crank of your e-bike. Then, inflate the tires to the recommended pressure, which is mentioned on the tire's side wall. That's it! You have successfully assembled your all-new Hero Lectro e-bike. Press the power button till you see the LEDs glowing on the side display and touch the RFID key on the RFID sign to unlock the e-bike. Then, select the desired mode as per your preference. Once your e-bike is powered on, you may switch to throttle mode by pressing the button under throttle on the right handle grip. For optimal results, we suggest that you charge your e-bike for at least 4 hours. We can't wait to hear about your Hero Lectro e-bike stories. Let's e-bike to a better future. Enjoy the ride!